how you were doing before joining the program. What happened to you? What type of pain you were feeling?
Started the program a few months ago because I hurt my back. I herniated a disc lifting weights. I was in pain all the time. I was waking up with a lot of pain. It limited everything that I was doing in my life. I couldn't lift weights anymore. Stuff was breaking at my house that I couldn't fix. And I had a lot of automotive work that was piling up that I really it wasn't safe for me to try to do it. And after a couple of months of just denial and not really knowing what's wrong, I finally found this program and started doing the exercises and everything like that. Through the program and over time, I don't have any pain anymore. And right now I don't have any pain at all. This past Sunday, I didn't want to actually have to do this, but one of the wheels on my car was about to fall off and the bearing needed to be replaced. And I'm not the type that's going to pay somebody to do that. However, the car is relatively old. It's a 2009. And when I got the wheel off, the bearing assembly is actually bolted onto a aluminum knuckle. It took me about 2 hours of beating on it with a 3-pound sledgehammer, an air-powered air hammer, and a 10-pound sledgehammer to finally get it free. And I was nervous about that, thinking I was going to pay for it the next morning. And I woke up the next morning and just had no pain at all. I was fine, woke up, got out of bed, was pretty surprised that I wasn't in pain. And yeah, just kind of moved on that way. It felt really good, to be honest.
This is amazing. You said it was nothing you planned. It was just life. What would you tell to people who are going through the same situation?
You're not going to be able to heal properly if you go to the doctor. At least that's what I found. The doctors that I went to really didn't have anything to tell me, but put me on prednisone and really want to just start the process of getting an MRI and possibly surgery. Letting the body heal on its own without a bunch of surgery and needles and stuff like that. I think I would recommend that. For sure. Anyone that's looking at this program doesn't really have anything to lose. All this stuff is very doable. You just have to stick with it and trust the process. And that's what I did.
Thank you.